Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In front of me on the table we have a Samsung unit model QN75QN85AAF. We're going to be going over some of the things that you can try if your television is giving you an image but is not producing any sound. The first thing that we would suggest is going through the various settings on a television and make sure that you are set up to be giving sound from the TV itself and not an external product, a sound bar or a stereo system. You want to make sure that your television is going to be generating sound from the TV's speakers. If you've tried that without any luck, you can go through and do a factory reset on the television. Sometimes that will resolve some of these issues. If you get to the point where you feel like you need to do a board swap, we would suggest doing the main board. We're going to have a short video here on exactly how to get that main board out of your unit. Do pay close attention during this video. There will be a plug, a small yellow plug specifically. That is the plug that goes to the speakers themselves. You want to make sure that that is plugged in securely. That could also cause problems with your sound. So let's get into it. So the first step for the main board here, we're going to want to get all of these plugs and clips away. So first we're going to get our fingernail up underneath this guy, pop it up. We should just be able to walk that right out of there. This one's going to have two little pieces on the side that we want to pinch. And we just want to slowly walk that away from the board. You do see it kind of came out here at an angle. Pop it back in. Try one more time. This guy is going to be similar to this one here. We are going to just pop up the flap with our fingernail. And that ribbon cable should just come right out of there. Do be careful with these. We don't want to damage them. So this clip right here, we're going to want to depress with our thumbnail. This should just come right away from the main board. This clip right here is going to be a similar style to this one. We're going to want to push down on those clips on the right and left side and then slowly walk that out away from the main board. This ribbon cable connection is going to be similar to these two. We just want to pop it up with our fingernail and then we want to walk that out of there. So these screwless Samsung models aren't going to have any screws actually in the main board itself. There is a small nubbin right here that we're going to want to very, very gently bend up on the main board to where the main board can pass over that little bump. And we're going to want to slide the whole thing out to where all the clips are loose, and that is your main board. All right, that's going to be it for the main board in this video today. If you have any more questions, if you wanted to go over some symptoms and things like that, we're going to have a link down below to a subreddit that you can go to ask any questions. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave us a comment down below in the comment section, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook.